Poor guy out there cooking. Hello. How are you? As you can see by my breath, it's cold. Most of the country's cold right now. Why am I hunched over? So you can see me. I know you want to see me. Hey, yeah, right now this week here in America, it's cold. Basically, the whole country's cold. I'm cold. It's about 20 degrees out today. And I was thinking to myself, man, I want some brats, but they were frozen. So can I cook them from frozen? We're going to find out. Johnsonville firecracker brats reduced to $3.74. I bought them a while ago, have them in the freezer. Let's see if we can do it. I got the ZGrills up to 400 degrees. It took a while. Let's open these up. I wonder if I can even get them out of here. Yeah, they're frozen. I'm frozen. Oh, sorry, I didn't close the shed door. It's banging behind me. So I'm basically going to treat the ZGrills as an oven today. Got it up to 400, and I'm going to go with that. In here, I just have a little, it's actually a Blackstone cast iron like pizza dish, but it's cast iron. I've been warming it up in there. I'm going to stick these frozen bratwurst in this pellet grill and see if I can cook them to make them taste good. Have you ever done it? I've never done it. I'm going to do it today. If you're interested, stick around. We'll see how it turns out. Let's go. There's that little cast iron pan I was telling you about. It's a Blackstone product. Comes with a nice little wooden trivet. I just got a little bit of spray oil in there, so let's see. Oh yeah. These things are frozen. I'm pretty impressed with this ZGrills getting up to 400 when it's just about 20 degrees out right now. And as you can hear, that little cast iron pan has been heating up for a little while. So yeah, whoop, yeah, whatever. That's what we're gonna do. The 400 degrees, no blanket on it, nothing. Like I said, it took a little while to get up to that temperature, but pretty impressed with no cover on it. A little bit of a breeze, 20 degrees out. It did it. So, okay, I'm going to let them cook. I'm going to come back and check them in a little bit. See how long it takes. And if you're curious, hey, can you cook frozen brats on a pellet grill? I mean, that's something to think about. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go get warmed up. Peace. Let's take a look at these. I mean, it's been not even 15 minutes. Yeah, they're cooking. They're cooking A-okay. Yeah, look at that. Let's flip them around a little bit. I don't see them releasing too many juices yet. Oh, come on, you bugger. Okay, there you go. You know, bratwurst, when they curl up, they're a little awkward. Try to get all the sides cooked. I mean, they are cooking. Yeah. Just out of curiosity, the ZGrills, by the way, is holding at 400, no problem. Let's check it out. That one's 120. Oh yeah, they're cooking. That one's not. That's only about 100, 118, 113. And that one over there is 134. Well, by golly, it's working. I don't know, maybe it's not a big deal to you, but it's kind of interesting to me because I always have brats on hand. I typically buy them when they're on sale and put them in the freezer. So it's good to know that you can cook them from frozen. Like I said, probably by now it's been 15 minutes at 400. And yeah, I'm sure they'll turn out good. You could see when I was temping them, I mean, the juices were coming out. So they're cooking pretty good. I'm gonna give it another 10-15 minutes and see how we do. Come on back. These suckers are done. Took about right around a half an hour. Let's get these out of here. Look at this little Blackstone cast iron deal. It's got this handle. Let me pick it up like that. Wait a minute. Two hands. It's heavy. Set that there for a minute. There we go. Set that right on there. Yeah, that's good looking. It's cooking in the juices and the fats. Let's see. Can you see them? There we go. Look at these suckers. Man, they smell good. I just temped them. We're good. Ouch, that's hot. Don't touch the cast iron, poor guy. I'm gonna slice into one of these. Excuse me. Let's slice into one. Yeah, they're ever so juicy. Let me take a look. Where is it? You see it? Man, they're good. They're probably really hot. Kind of cool. Actually, when you cook them in the cast iron like that, all the juices stay right in there. Helps them cook. Oh, that deliciousness. Oh, yeah. As soon as I'm done chewing, I'll talk again. Those were the hot and spicy brats. Yeah, they're good. That's really cool. Oh, yeah, those got a little bit of spice. I like those. Well, there you go. Cooking brats from frozen on a pellet grill when it's 20 degrees out. Right on. Thanks for watching.